Watch your API costs plummet. Today, we are setting up a workflow that builds complex front-end layouts without sacrificing coding quality. This dashboard shows the exact cost discrepancy between running heavy coding tasks on a premium frontier model versus a localized model. Generating a complex UI with Opus 4.8 costs $2.38, while the same task through GLM 5.2 costs just 44 cents. And if you're worried about quality dropping along with the price, look at this terminal output. Independent benchmark data proves GLM 5.2 scores 81 points on complex logic tests, remaining highly competitive, and it does so with a massive 1 million token context window. To take advantage of those margins, we must configure your environment. This tutorial walks you through setting up the Cursor IDE for local-grade execution. As the initial wave of artificial intelligence subsidies inevitably disappears, mastering affordable, localized execution is rapidly becoming a mandatory survival skill for managing development budgets. Let's get to work. Step 1 is securing the authorization credentials. We need these to connect the IDE to your chosen AI provider. Navigate to your provider's developer dashboard. On the left-hand menu, locate and open the API generation panel. Create a new secret string, and make sure you click the Copy Key button to save it to your clipboard. You will only see this exact string once. If you prefer running multiple open-source models under a single unified credit balance, you can use an alternative routing provider like OpenRouter. The process is the same. Find your keys dashboard and click the Create Key Action button. Securing these unique credentials is the foundational step required to bypass the IDE's expensive default routing paths. With the key copied, we can head over to the editor. Open the Cursor application. In the top right corner of the welcome screen, click the gear icon to access your primary settings. Here is a common point of friction. Because GLM 5.2 uses an OpenAI-compatible protocol format, you actually need to paste your new key into the designated OpenAI input field. Once the key is in, hit the Enable toggle switch to activate the provider. Next, you have to override the base URL. This physically redirects the data traffic away from default servers to the specific z.ai endpoint. Paste the exact URL into the overwrite field and save. Finally, scroll up to Custom Models and click Add Model. Type GLM 5.2 exactly as shown. Any typos here will result in a failure to initialize the model. This exact sequence of overrides successfully tricks the software architecture into seamlessly accepting our affordable external model. GLM is excellent for coding, but it lacks native vision capabilities. To get around this, we use a workaround called model chaining. In the chat panel, drag your target interface screenshot in and temporarily select a premium frontier model from the drop-down menu. Here, we're choosing Opus 4.8. We are only using the premium model briefly. Ask it to translate the visual layout of your screenshot into a highly structured text plan. Once the text plan is generated, we perform the handoff. Switch your active model back to GLM 5.2. Command it to write the React code based on that plan and hit Submit. Model chaining isolates the unique strengths of different AIs. You get premium vision features without paying those expensive premium rates for the subsequent code heavy lifting. Now that the heavy lifting is done, open your terminal and type your local server start command to execute the generated instructions. The localized model crunches through the logic at a fraction of the cost as it rapidly assembles the framework. Open your browser to the local port to verify the output. The rendered UI elements, including the image carousel and bento grid layout, match the original vision plan. We now have the complete application architecture running flawlessly, built entirely through our custom pipeline. By configuring these specific endpoints and utilizing model chaining, you now possess a fully verified professional-grade coding assistant workflow that actively defends your financial resources on every single prompt.